tinatawag na black hole kung malamig. Ano yan eh, buhangin na nalalagot na. Nauga yung buhangin niya, kaya kulay dagat. Siya to, black hole. Kaya black hole kaya. Hindi ko ba, why na yung kulay black hole? Masuk na ako na trabaho. Oh, grabe, mahangin pa sa labas. Maglakad ako na. Maabutan ako din, oh. Grabe yun lang. Pagkat yung eyes. Penny. Hey. It's your vaccine today.
So Wednesday initial visit for the vaccination.
That's a cage niya. Vaccine, first vaccine this year. Penica! Pen, pen. Kukuch. Penny. Pen. Penny.
Ah, so little one. Right, so the cost of a stay for a little dog is £338. All right then, you're more than welcome. All right, take care. Bye-bye. Bye.
Penny.
Never stops.
Penny.
It's been one of those days. Good afternoon, that's Lee with Sheila's Thinking Now I Help.
Relax, can't we?
Yeah, she's home. She's back. Hello. Leave you open. Open the door. Wee. She's home. She's fine. Penny, where have you been? Penny, where have you been? Get injection? Is that painful? He said it's maybe she's sleepy.
Sleeper.
Yeah, it's very rare. Very rare if there is bump.
Sorry?
A side effect if there is bump
Yeah.
here, but it's very rare.
She might get a little lump
It's very rare.
and she'll feel slightly
Side
sleepy.
effect. But this one is felt like sleepy.
Oh, just like she's all
Is that night? You got injection on your back. Booster. Yeah, she got booster. Good girl. Oh, the vet said she's cute. She's very cute. And she remember Molly. Penwood. Pen.
Still hurts.
Drink. Yeah. Drink your water. Yeah. Molly is resting there. That's Molly's resting place. There on that box. She's resting there.
I'm glad she's fine.
Drunk. Oh, she eat.
That's a big relief. Isn't it?
I'm going to Sainsbury's to buy your Lucky Lex.
To buy what, darling?
Treat.
To buy what?
Lucky Lex.
Oh,
It's
lick
finished.
your legs, yeah.
Yeah. She eat.
The answer we were looking for
Oh,
was
yeah, let's
39
finish
of
her
those
booster
famous
now.
steps.
And they will phone us the next vaccine because it's only booster today.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think there's another more.
right, that's fine.
It's that start the beginning, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
She's hungry.
But she's had a checkup as well, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
They do that checkup at the same time, don't they?
Good, good. Good girl. She let that lady touch her.
Ready. Slow down.
She let the lady touch her, you know, the vet. She's fine. Napan?
What is the name of the Islamic holy month of fasting?
Thank you for watching, guys.
Correct.
Love you all from Penny.
Goldfish. Correct.
Busy ang kusina, guys. Magluto ka ng ito liver. Chicken liver. Prito muna natin ng konti. Isama natin sa ating gizzard na adobo. Yeah, gizzard. Dinner for tonight. My favorite. Niluto ko muna ito ng konti bago ko isama sa sa adobo. O separate siya ng luto. Tapos, ilagay mo na siya at the end. Kanya-kanya pa ng version, ano? Ayan yung rice. First, Filipino. Mag-rice tayo. Diba? So, yung iba, iluto nila ng konti lang. Pero, ito ko iprito. Tapos, isama natin. Isama natin bawang. Bawang, saka green chili. Para maano siya. Konting anghang. Iyaw ko ng manghang. Makakasari. Tapos, yung isang katutak ba? I like white onion. Sarap. Sa adobo, gusto ko maraming onion. Kayo po ba? Gusto nyo ng onion? Masarap yung onion sa luto. Sangkot sa natin ito. Kunti. Ayan, nalay natin yung ating gizzard. Gizzard ng bayang. Favorito ni Habi ito, guys. Tapos yung chicken liver natin na pinirito ko. Lagay ko siya naman yan. At the end. Pag ano na ito, malambot. Sana all. Bigyan natin ng konting toyo. Yan. Hindi naman ito maalat. Siko man. Ano, hindi siya gaano maalat. Lagyan natin ng black pepper. At, of course, magic syrup. Ang paborito ng bayan, magic syrup. Para masarap. Takpan muna natin yan. Luto na yung kanin natin, guys. Jasmine rice. Check natin yung ating gizzard. Tsaka liver. Tada! Sarap pag may konting salt siya para ano, may sabaw sa kanin. Ito naman na yung liver kasi na-fried ko siya kanina. Yung gizzard and liver. Mahal na konti. That's it, guys. Dinner natin ngayon. Gizzard and liver. Chicken liver. Kain na!